Rytr is one of the simplest AI writing tools if you know how to use it properly. This video shows everything beginners need without overwhelming features. Now, Rytr is perfect for blog drafts, captions, emails, descriptions. The beginner workflow should be idea, outline, sections, refine text, and manual polish. Okay, so here's an example. I'm using a LinkedIn post. I added the objective, got a certificate. The key message here is I just got my certification from High Level or Google, whatever. And the target audience should be based on your certificate, which is AI. In my case, machine learning, maybe for you data center, database, etc. And add variant. If you want more than one variant, you can just go ahead and add 3, for example. The creativity should it be high, optimal, medium? Choose your level of creativity, and then hit Rytr for me, and you're gonna see the outcome just like this, right? And you can use this to post on LinkedIn or any other social media for that matter. You can use this also for blog idea, outline, blog section writing, brand name, business idea pitch, call to action, copywriting framework, ADA, copywriting frameworks, pass, cover letter, email, etc. Many more that we need to explore. But this is one example out of many. You can apply this to many things. You can also see here on the left hand menu tools, right? You can see right here your voice. You can create a voice, and you're gonna be able to see the outcome. Make AI sound like you. AI generated content should sound like you, not like a robot, and that's why they built My Voice. The My Voice feature allows you to get specific tone profiles that customize the content Rytr generates to sound like you, your team, or your client, ensuring that all content you create in Rytr sounds exactly the way you want. And if you want to explore how it's done, you could just go ahead and hit create a voice. All right, let me hit here create a voice. All right, and just choose, of course, let me zoom in a little bit. Add the name of the voice, style, guidelines, which is optional, target audience, and the right example, right? And Rytr will make it sound just like you. And you need to upgrade, of course, to be able to create a voice. That's why I haven't gotten access to it. So you can also see here the settings also, right? Which, has the basic stuff. But mainly, you're going to be able to create new document. You can also chat, right? Talk to Rytr, and select the tone: assertive, awestruck, candid, casual, cautionary. I forgot to mention that you can make it sound the way you want to, right? If your tone are more like assertive, you can just go ahead and keep it assertive. But if you're more like a grateful kind of person, you can just hit appreciative, right? And of course, the chat here, you can chat with the bot and choose more than one language. You have more than English and Arabic. You have Dutch, Czech, Chinese, Taiwanese, Farsi, Filipino, Finnish, Hebrew, Japanese, Malay, Russian, Slovenian, Slovak, Turkish, etc. Right, so you can chat with the language you wish. Of course, here the history of your work here, right? So all your details will be saved automatically. So avoid publishing raw AI text, trusting facts blindly, skipping editing. So Rytr works best when you work with it, not under it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.